Welcome to SuiteTrails. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 7 must-see attractions in Tbilisi, Georgia. Get ready to be inspired and start planning your next adventure. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Explore Kakheti, the wine region of Georgia, located in the eastern part of the country. Kakheti wine region is an excellent place to visit beautiful sights, try delicious local food, listen to traditional folk songs, study how Georgian wine is made, and have wine degustation. Your first stop is village Badiuri, where guests are welcome to see a local bakery and taste delicious Georgian bread and cheese. The second stop is Badbi Convent. According to the legend, it is built on the burial place of Saint Nino, a saint for Georgians who converted their religion to Christianity. The site is very spiritual and has impressive views for taking beautiful pictures. Then go to Sinagi, known as the City of Love. You will have a walking tour in Sinan and discover the Great Wall of Georgia. After the walking tour, you can join lunch with a beautiful view of Alizani Valley and try traditional Georgian food. The fourth site of the day is Kariba Winery, the largest of Georgia's wine cellars. Kariba is a unique place with perfect storage conditions for wine, 7.7 kilometers of tunnels, and galleries that maintain a constant temperature of 12 to 14 degrees 0 C. Listen to traditional Georgian folk songs, have a walking tour in the tunnel, explore the ethnographic museum, get information on how Georgians make wine, and finish it with wine degustation. The last place to visit during the day is Corporation Kinsmarauli. The winery's history dates back to 1533, and it produced wine exclusively for the royal family for much of its history. You have a tour of the winery and wine degustation for 4 different wines. Number 2. Exclamation mark. Please notice. In case we can't get up to Kazbegi, do not blame us. The government closes the road in case of snowfall. Road is cleaned daily, but there are situations that we are not allowed to go to Kazbegi due to your own and our safety. Please understand before booking. In case the way back is longer, it is due to heavy traffic. Don't blame us, ain't upon our hand to control the traffic. Embark on an exhilarating journey to Kazbegi, a majestic mountainous wonder in Georgia. Traverse the iconic Georgian military highway, unveiling the breathtaking main Caucasian range. Marvel at the Zhinvali Reservoir, and explore the enchanting Ananori Fortress, a must-see attraction. In Pasanori, witness the captivating spectacle of the black and white Aragua rivers refusing to mingle. Indulge in the natural wonders of healing Georgian honey, savoring the essence of this unique region. Cruise past the renowned Gadari Ski Center, relishing panoramic mountain vistas that will leave you in awe. Ascend the heights to the Arc of Friendship, granting you a spellbinding view of a turquoise lake. Pause at Mount Travertine, where mineral water flows, offering a refreshing and invigorating experience. As you arrive in Stepantsminda, formerly known as Kazbegi, soak in the rich history and witness the iconic Mount Kazbegi standing tall at 5,033 meters. Visit the Monastery of the Holy Trinity, Gergeti, perched at an awe-inspiring altitude of 2,200 meters above sea level. Your journey will be guided by an enthusiastic English and Russian-speaking guide, ensuring not just a tour but a captivating immersion into the incredible tales and history of this Georgian gem. Get ready for a once-in-a-lifetime adventure that promises unparalleled landscapes and unforgettable memories. As well, we provide degustation of cha-cha, Georgian traditional drink, chirkhela, traditional Georgian sweet, honey, and much more. Join us for paragliding in Kazbegi, where we are the exclusive licensed company in Georgia. Feel the thrill anytime, with pricing available upon request. Number 3. Tbilisi Mtikvari Kura River Trip by Boat Itinerary. Duration: 30 minutes. Additional time can be added upon request. 1. Departure: meet your guide at the designated meeting point along the Mtikvari Kura River in Tbilisi. Board the boat and get ready for a memorable journey along the scenic river. 2. Boat tour in Old and New Tbilisi. Cruise along the Mtikvari Kura River and admire the panoramic views of both the historic Old Tbilisi and the modern skyline of New Tbilisi. Listen to insightful commentary from your guide, who will highlight key landmarks and points of interest along the route. 3. Free bar service. Enjoy complimentary refreshments from the onboard bar, including tea, coffee, and wine. Relax and savor the tranquil atmosphere as you sip on your favorite beverage and take in the sights. Point 4. Optional add-ons. Extend the duration of your boat tour to explore more of the river and its surroundings. Customize your experience with additional amenities or services, such as live music or onboard dining options. Additional charges may apply. Point 5. Return. After 30 minutes of cruising, return to the starting point along the Anchiskhati Basilica River. Disembark from the boat and conclude your unforgettable river trip in Tbilisi. Immerse yourself in the beauty and charm of Tbilisi with this scenic boat tour along the Anchiskhati Basilica River. Sit back, relax, and enjoy a leisurely journey through the heart of the city, complete with complimentary refreshments and captivating views of both old and new Tbilisi. Number 4. Embark on a captivating journey through the renowned Anchiskhati wine region with a comprehensive tour departing from Tbilisi. Begin your adventure at the celebrated Kahishan traditional winemaking warehouse, a cornerstone of Georgian viticulture. Here, you will have the unique opportunity to taste a selection of the region's most distinguished wines and brandies. These tastings provide a deep dive into the rich flavors and complex aromas that characterize Kahishan winemaking. Additionally, you will have the chance to purchase your favorite bottles, allowing you to bring a piece of Georgian wine heritage home with you. After immersing yourself in the nuances of local wines, the tour continues to the charming town of Sinagi. Often referred to as the City of Love, Sinagi boasts a picturesque setting with panoramic views of the Alizani Valley and the Great Caucasus Mountains. As you stroll through its quaint streets, you will visit key attractions including the Sinagi Wall, one of the longest walls in the world. This historic fortification offers not only breathtaking views but also a glimpse into the past of this fortified town. Your exploration doesn't stop there. The tour also includes a visit to the Bodbi Monastery, an important spiritual and cultural site nestled among lush greenery just a short distance from Sinagi. This monastery is said to house the relics of Saint Nino, who brought Christianity to Georgia, making it a significant pilgrimage site. Lastly, no tour of Anchiskhati would be complete without visiting a local wine cellar. Here, you can experience the hospitality of Georgian wine producers and learn about traditional winemaking techniques that have been passed down through generations. This part of the tour not only enriches your understanding of Georgian culture but also allows you to appreciate the craftsmanship behind each bottle. This comprehensive tour of Anchiskhati offers an unforgettable experience that combines history, culture, and gastronomy, perfect for anyone eager to explore the richness of Georgian heritage. Number 5. Explore one of the most mysterious regions of Georgia, Kartli, and hear a lot about the country's history. First, visit memorable Uplistiki cave town and dive into the antique life of Georgia. Then, find out more interesting facts in Gori, the hometown of the most famous Georgian, Stalin, and see the unique old capital of Georgia, Anchiskhati, where you visit two UNESCO heritage sites, Javari Monastery and SuiteTrails Cathedral. Your first stop is Uplistiki, an antique rock-hewn town in eastern Georgia. It contains multiple structures dating from the early Iron Age to the late Middle Ages. It is notable for the unique mixture of various rock-cut cultures from Anatolia and Iran's pagan and Christian architecture coexistence. After exploring Uplistiki, you have a chance to have lunch in the region and try delicious local food. After lunch, you have two options: have free time and explore Gori, the hometown of Stalin, or visit Stalin Museum, which is a museum dedicated to the life of Joseph Stalin, the leader of the Soviet Union, who was born in Gori. The museum retains its Soviet-era characteristics, Stalin's original house, and Stalin's railway carriage. The next stop is Javari Monastery. The name of this monastery is translated as the Monastery of the Cross. Javari Monastery is the 6th century Georgian Orthodox monastery near Anchiskhati. Along with other historic structures of Anchiskhati, it is listed as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Javari Monastery stands on the rocky mountain top at the confluence of the Anchiskhati and Aragva rivers, overlooking the town of Anchiskhati, which was formerly the capital of the Kingdom of Iberia. The last site on tour is SuiteTrails Cathedral in Anchiskhati. UNESCO recognizes Anchiskhati as a World Heritage Site due to its historical significance and several cultural monuments. It was the capital of the early Georgian kingdom of Iberia from the 3rd century BC to the 5th century AD. SuiteTrails is known as the burial site of Christ's robe and has been one of the principal Georgian Orthodox churches and is among the region's most venerated places of worship. Number 6. Discover Georgia's unique nature so close to you as never before. Unless you experience it yourself, it is hard to imagine a glass bridge over the new creature of nature, a canyon at the height of 240 meters, where you feel like losing your footing. Still, at this very moment, you understand that you are a part of these surroundings, and up in the sky, you get pleasure from the magnificent sights of nature. We will meet you in front of the bicycle monument near Radisson Blu. Please arrive 30 minutes before departure time. You will enjoy seeing the unique nature from Tbilisi to Diamond Bridge, which is 2 hours' drive. Also, we will have a chance to buy genuine honey from the village. Except for the canyons and Diamond Bridge, you have an opportunity to try a bike in the sky. We will return to Tbilisi at around 6 o'clock. Please note, if you are going to hike 2 kilometers and see the waterfall, please wear comfortable shoes. Number 7. Explore Kazbegi, the mountainous region of Georgia. Feel the Caucasian Georgian spirit in the Caucasus Mountains. Take many beautiful pictures, hear exciting parts of the history, try the traditional Georgian dish hinkali, dumpling, discover the most beautiful part of Georgia, and get unforgettable memories. Your first stop is Zhinvali Water Reservoir on the Georgian Military Highway. The Soviets constructed the dam in the 1980s. A wonderful place to take amazing pictures. Visit Ananori Fortress, the seat of the Aristavis, Dukes, of Aragva, a feudal dynasty that ruled the area around the 13th century. See stunning views of the fortress and Zhinvali Reservoir. Have lunch in Pasanori, the homeland of one of Georgia's traditional foods, hinkali. Admire the friendship monument of Georgian and Russian people in Gadari, on the Georgian Military Highway. Contemplate the history of this fascinating monument overlooking Devil's Valley in the Caucasus Mountains. Explore one of the most beautiful places in Georgia, Gergeti Trinity Church in Kazbegi. Get a panoramic view of the whole valley from the church, which is one of Georgia's most iconic attractions. Be impressed with the view of Mount Kazbegi, standing 5,047 meters tall. Go to a local luxury hotel and have a cup of coffee in the stylish restaurant while you relax with stunning mountain views. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.